Hello, everybody. I am Andrea Coppin, and I'm excited to share the training with you about learning and sharing stories. And really, what it boils down to is every single day we are sharing stories and information with everybody that we're talking to about Rodan and Fields. And so, whether that is a potential new preferred customer, a consultant, or a referral, what we're doing is we're sharing information to them so that they can make the decision if Rodan and Fields is the right fit for them or not. And the information we want to give them, we want to be relevant to them, not to us. So, for example, me sharing my story about as a stay-at-home mom might not be relevant or will not resonate with somebody that I'm talking to that is working in the corporate world. So it's just not going to be relatable, right? So I'll share my stay-at-home mom with my other stay-at-home mom friends. But what I do want to find is information out there. And the great thing is that we have so many wonderful and diverse success stories of men and women in every single field, whether it's a teacher, a nurse, a doctor, a stay-at-home mom, someone climbing the corporate ladder, working in the corporate world. We have those stories out there. And so what we want to do is be able to learn what those stories are and be able to share them with the people that we're talking to. So, because really at the end of the day, it's not about us, it's about them, right? And you want to make the information relevant to them. And so what I'm going to have you do is there's a couple of things of homework. I hate saying homework, but items that I want you to do. So first of all, I want you to think of 3 of your absolute most favorite people in the world that you just love and adore. So write those 3 people down. The second thing I want you to do is there's 2 sites where you can find stories that you can listen to or read that you can be able to share with people. And so the first location is actually in Facebook, and you can have your mentor or business partner help you locate this, but it's called RNF Opportunity Calls. And there is in the photo album, the photos and then albums, there's about 38 different albums of various calls. So these calls are anywhere between military, stay-at-home mom, doctors, lawyers, nurses, you name it. There's a story out there. And so you can, click on there, listen to different calls. You just call in an access number and you listen to the call. And then the second place is actually, it's called redefine.rodanandfields.com. And those are a series of different stories that people have written in of their success stories. So depending on kind of, what you like listening or reading better, choose either one. They have great calls and stuff, or great information on the calls and on the blog. And so go to those 2 sites, take a look at some stories, and think about those three friends that you just wrote down and find a story that or a call that is relevant to them. And then the third thing I want you to do is, so once you've done that, is to share it with that friend. So share that call or that blog with your friend, and then circle back with them after they've had a chance to listen to it. So give them, a day. Say, I'm going to call you back tomorrow at 5 after you've had a chance to listen to the call, and I want to loop in my business partner so that she can help me with some more training. And so really, you're getting on the phone and you're having the person that you just shared the story with get on a call with your business partner to help you with continuing your training. So that's really what I want you to do, is just, do those things in the next 2 days, and then go and just read all the different stories that you can yourself. It's just so cool to find so many different facets of life, different backgrounds, and how they've been able to be successful in Rodan and Fields. And you'll really find that, like I said, at the end of the day, it's about them, not you. And it'll make you more relatable as well. So have a great night, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.